Bicycle, bicycle, bicycle. I want to ride my bicycle, bicycle, bicycle. I want to ride my bicycle. I want to ride my bike. I want to ride my bicycle. I want to ride it where I like. You say black, I say white. You say bar, I say bite. You say shark, I say him and
I prefer. I'll probably go for this one here, number 2. I think it is.
I like the look of number 2. I thought it's pretty clever. It seems very secure as well.
I would use design number 1
And why is that?
because it looks the most simple to use.
I prefer the pair of triangles on the end here.
Okay.
I think it looks like the most secure out of all of them. I like that you can lock the wheels as well if you wanted to as well. It's not the frame, so. It would probably be quite expensive to build, and if there was like loads of bikes as there is in Trinity, it probably wouldn't really work because it takes up too much space.
No, actually, I like that. Like, if it's completely symmetrical, you can have bikes next to each other, handlebars, and then handlebars on the other side, because it looks like it can be used on either side. So it's a pretty clever design.
It looks more secure than what's normally out there. However, it does look a bit more complicated than usual.
Yeah, I think it's much easier when you have different sizes of bikes to adjust those little triangles to fit the frame of a bike size, and it's also pretty compact too, so you can get a bunch of bikes lined up really nicely compared to this one.
I think they're probably more secure than the ones with your standard bike lock, but the problem is, they're quite complicated when there's a lot of bikes in the mix. So.
Is that number 3, that one?
Yeah.
I feel like depends on how the rotational. Yeah. That could be susceptible to being broken. And
Like just this one here, the orange one here with these movable pieces that retract backwards. I think it probably takes up a little bit more space up in a row, but I think it's a little easier to lock to the frame, which is where you want to lock up the bike.